Hello, how are you? I hope you are fine. In previous lecture of HTML5 series, we learn about bloat and inline tag. In bloat tag, we learn about div tag, and inline we learn about span tag. Today we will learn about HTML5 iframe tag. An HTML iframe is used to display a web page within a web page. Means in a web page we make a frame and view other web page in the frame. So I will open my editor. I will make new file. I will set the title of a web page iframe. I will save the file. The syntax for the iframe is iframe tag start and iframe end. In iframe there is an attribute source, right, and save it, right. I will open the web page in a browser. You can see it here. It shows the border of iframe, but no image or video is available there because the source is empty, right. In a definition I tell you about an iframe is used to display a web page within a web page. So I will here give the source of another web page, right. For this I will make a new html5, another agile mentor. I'll set the title and I will set the heading. I will save the file with the name is practice.html, right. I will save the file and in the source I will give the name practice.html. Both files are in the same folder, so only I will give the file name, right. Now I will reload the page. It's not show the iframe here, so I will close the iframe. I will open the iframe again, right. You can see it. It shows practice.html in this web page, right. I hope you understand it very well. Now I will show the another website in my iframe, right. So for this here I will no number to start. I will show the website. I will set the paragraph. In paragraph, I will type depots.pk. Right? I will give the link a href below https dot pk. Right? I will close the link. Right? Now I will open up. Right? I will click on depots.pk. You can see it. You can see it when I click on the depots.pk, it opens the depots.pk in the same tab. But I want to show when user click on the depots.pk, the depots.pk will be shown in the iframe of that particular web page. So for this, I will make one more iframe. I will set the name is depots, right? what Whatever name you want, you type here my iframe test or what you want. I want depots because my website name is depots.pt. I want to share his uh, I want to show depots.pt in this iframe, right? In target, I will give the name of the iframe name. Its name is depots dot, right? I will save it. I will reload the page, right? You can see when I click on this link, it open the depots.pk in the iframe, right? We can set the width and height of a iframe, right? We will type the width is 800, height is 800, right? I will save it and reload the page. You can see it. Now the height is 8, its depots, width is 800, height is also 800, right? You can see it. We scroll the website, right? Now I will tell you how to embed a YouTube video in our web page. I will open the YouTube. I will open the video, then I will go to share. There's an embed. I will click on the embed. Here it shows the iframe source. I will copy by click on this, right? Then I will. You can see it. I paste the iframe code in the div. It shows over video, right? In iframe, we can remove the border of iframe. So I want to remove the border of the depots.pt frame. So for this, I will save the page and reload. You can see it. Now the border are not visible here, right? We can embed a doodle map in our web page, right? For this, we will open. I will delete on the map, then I will delete on share, right? Then I will delete on topic.html, right? You can say now I will h1, I will paste it, I will save the, right? I will reload the page. Now you can see it. Here it shows the map of a Lahore in our web page. I hope you understand it very well. For any query or issue, please comment me in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video. Take care.